Hey, this is Catherine in the School Cash Box, and I'm here to show you how to create an advanced event. We have a simple event and an advanced event. A simple event is just going to be for something that has one price. It's pretty straightforward. For example, a fall festival is maybe just $5 a ticket. So a simple event would be appropriate for that. An advanced event might be something like spirit wear, where you might have multiple sizes that they have to choose from, um, maybe even different color shirts, um, and then maybe different prices for each for the larger sizes. So I'm going to show you how to do an advanced event real quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is pick an image. We'll go through creating an actual event. You will go to upload file and then select your file. I've already got one here. And the event gallery can just be more images added to it. Then we'll do a title. The first box is for a short description. So I just keep it brief, and that's the first thing that they see. And then the second box is just kind of for a lengthier description. Right, so here's where you're going to see the difference between the simple and then the advanced event. And you'll see them listed right here. We're going to go to the advanced event. I just want to show you one other option before we go to the advanced event. You can always have the option for the contributor to choose the amount that they're contributing. This might be great for if you're selling multiple things like hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts. We can have a blank box where the user actually types in what they owe you, and then that's the amount that they pay you. So if they were ordering, a sweatshirt and then a hat, they could type in, for instance, if the sweatshirt is $20 and the hat is $5, they can type in donation amount or contribution amount $25, and then you would get that $25. So that might be a good option for you to have. All right, so we're going to go to advanced event. Enable additional information field is just if you want to leave an open blank field for them to type in maybe the child's name, the teacher's name, just any additional information you might need. You would check that off right here. Next, we have the start and end date. This is really important. If your start date is delayed, your event may not, when you first see it, it might not appear as it would as if the event had already started. So you might not be able to see the ability to add it to your cart or anything like that. All right, so now we're going to go to step 2. I'm going to type in the attribute, and it's going to be shirt size. It could be anything like book of tickets or hat. Really, whatever it is that you're selling is going to go here. We'll put small, and we're actually adding this. You have to separate them by the line. It's located right above your enter key on your keyboard. Medium. All right, so when we're done with the sizes, we're going to click to add it to step 2, then we're going to save it. Then we're going to head over to step 2, and we're going to add a variation. All right, so you're going to click go, and we're going to add prices to each of our sizes. So let's expand this first. If all of our shirts were the same price, you could just leave this as any shirt size and then just put the one price. I'm going to do different prices because we've got the extra large sizes, so I'll show you how to do that really quickly if you had things that were different prices than the others. You also have the choice to add a picture. Maybe if the kids' sizes had a different design than the adults, you could add a different picture in there. But let's start with small. Let's say the small is $10. We have to keep enabled, checked, save. I'm going to go ahead and do this again. And I'm just going to go through and do that for all of them. So the extra large will make $12, $2 more. So it's going to be $12. Oops. $12. Let's make sure they all have a price. This one is $10. Okay. Alright, so we've added all the prices to all the different t-shirts. Now we're just going to go ahead. You have the option to keep it in draft or published. I selected Spiritwear for the category, and we're going to save and view our event just to make sure everything is okay. There we go. The range is from $10 to $12 because we know the extra large sizes were $2 more. That's my short description. Down here is the long description. And they have the option to choose their size and then add it to their cart. Of course, you have the share option. I'm going to go back to the dashboard really quickly. You're not going to see your event on here until you have people have actually purchased what it is that you're selling, but you will see it under events, and that will be listed here. And if you go to the actual event, you can get a detailed list of all the transactions, and that's going to be down here under contributors list. And the additional information will also be listed under the contributors list. Alright, well, as usual, if you have any questions, you can always email us for any help. It's info@SchoolCashBox. Thanks.